Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about mobile general management setting. Okay, if you no skip my video, you understand how to customize your general management setting. I show you every function and how to work it. So no skip my video, watch properly. You if you watch, you understand how to do it. Okay, and I have a request. If you new my channel, so please subscribe my channel and like my video and comment. Okay. So now I want to show you how to do it. At first, I come back my mobile display here from go your mobile setting and coming the general management. Okay, this setting. Now I want to show you uh, language and input setting. At first one, so I click here. Language input here. Language which country selected here. English, United Kingdom. Okay, you can change it any country language you can select here. Add language here. You can any country language can changing. See so many languages here have you can any one language change. Okay, so I no want to change because okay, here from we can sense our language only. Okay, now back and default keyboard language. You your mobile keyboard which language you want to select. Okay, I have Redmi keyboard here already selected. Samsung keyboard meaning only English language. My phone device language here I can select only and writing. If I apps any apps adding our phone, that's why here coming Redmi keyboard, the software name. This keyboard Bangla language I have select here. That's why Redmi keyboard show ready. Okay, on screen keyboard. On screen keyboard meaning here see on screen keyboard here already selected ready. Manage your keyboard here you also can adding again. So I know like this I don't want physical keyboard here also you can physical keyboard adding show one keyboard. Okay, so already show ready. If you no show like this off, if you want to show like this one. Okay, after spelling correction sometime our keyboard inside suggest. Okay, so many word suggest here sometime problem making. If you on here after your something word inside wrong ready, this word again automatically correct making. Okay, so you automatically if on like this please on here this setting. Okay, after autofill service, autofill with Samsung Pass here also. Now you want to see autofill. Okay, here we have no need now net connection because Wi-Fi already my place no have. That's why. Okay, personal dictionary. Here we can get a dictionary adding after text to piece. Okay, text to piece here we can select it after pointer speed. Pointer speed is most important our uh, mobile phone because if we so high our pointer speed is so high, what happen our mobile problem making. Okay, if we slow pointer making there also problem. No, you so high and so many low. Okay, medium is best for your mobile. So if you watch my video totally, so thank you very much for watch my video. Okay.